Hello and welcome to our channel. We're all about promoting health, wellness, and helping you become the best version of yourself. Today we're going to introduce you to a transformative 7-day detox plan. But before we dive in, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. You wouldn't want to miss out on our upcoming videos packed with health tips, wellness advice, and much more. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle? Let's get started on our detox journey. Are you looking to cleanse your body and reset your eating habits? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to the world of detoxification. Detoxification, often shortened to detox, is a process that naturally eliminates harmful toxins from your body. It's a bit like giving your body a much-needed service, flushing out the impurities that can cause a host of health issues if left unchecked. Detoxing can lead to numerous health benefits. For one, it can significantly boost your energy levels. No more mid-afternoon slumps or struggles to get out of bed in the morning. Additionally, it can help clear up your skin, giving you that radiant glow we all covet. Better digestion is another perk, leading to a smoother and more comfortable day-to-day life. And let's not forget about potential weight loss. Shedding a few extra pounds is often a welcome side effect of detoxing. Now that we understand what detoxification is, let's dive into our 7-day detox plan. On the first day, the focus is on hydration. Hydration plays a pivotal role in the process of detoxification. It's the equivalent of a deep, thorough cleanse, flushing out toxins and impurities from your body. Picture this: water is like the janitor of your body, diligently mopping up the mess, leaving your insides sparkling clean. Now, how do you go about it? Well, it's not just about chugging down gallons of water, it's about smart hydration. You can sip on herbal teas which, apart from being soothing, come packed with antioxidants. Then, there are water-rich fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, watermelons, oranges, and strawberries. They not only keep you hydrated but also offer a delightful burst of flavor and essential nutrients. So, through the day, aim to drink plenty of water, enjoy your herbal teas, and munch on juicy fruits and vegetables. Get creative with it. Remember, water is your body's best friend during this detox week. Scene script. Day 2 is all about fruits and vegetables. On this day, we're going to focus on the vibrant world of plant-based foods. Think of it as a colorful feast for your body. Fruits and vegetables are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that help to cleanse your system. They can revitalize your body, boost your mood, and help you feel more energized. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, and there's an endless variety to choose from. What about a refreshing berry smoothie for breakfast, or a hearty vegetable soup for lunch? Consider leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're nutrient powerhouses. Include fruits with high water content like watermelon and oranges to keep you hydrated. And don't forget cruciferous veggies like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. They're great for liver health. Remember, the more diverse your diet, the more nutrients you'll consume. Fruits and vegetables are the cornerstone of any healthy diet, and they're especially important during a detox. Day 3, we introduce lean proteins. Today, we're going to talk about why proteins are so essential in our diet, especially during a detox. You see, proteins are the building blocks of our bodies. They're essential for growth and repair, and they also play a crucial role in the production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies. So, where can we get these proteins? Well, lean proteins are the name of the game here. Think about chicken or fish, for instance. These are excellent sources of protein, and they're low in saturated fats, which is a definite plus. But what if you're vegetarian or vegan? No problem at all. There are plenty of plant-based proteins available. Lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa are just a few examples. They're not only high in protein, but also packed with fiber and other essential nutrients. Remember, the goal is not only to detox, but also to nourish our bodies, and that's where proteins come in. Protein keeps you feeling satisfied and helps your body repair and build tissues. So let's get that protein boost going. Day 4, we add healthy fats. Now, before you recoil in horror, let's clear the air. Not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and seeds, are not the villains they've often been painted as. Instead, they're the unsung heroes of a balanced diet. You see, healthy fats are packed with energy and are essential for absorbing certain vitamins. They also provide us with essential fatty acids, the building blocks for brain cells, that our bodies can't produce on their own. And here's the kicker. They help keep you feeling fuller for longer, curbing those pesky cravings and aiding in weight management. Avocados, for instance, are loaded with monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol levels. Nuts and seeds, on the other hand, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been linked to a reduction in heart disease and improved mental health. So don't shy away from the avocado toast or the handful of almonds. Healthy fats are essential for brain function and maintaining a feeling of fullness. Day 5, we say goodbye to added sugars. Sugar, while sweet, can be a bitter enemy to our health. It's snuck into our diets in so many ways that we often consume it without even knowing. From canned goods to supposedly healthy snacks, sugar is everywhere. But why is it bad? Excessive sugar intake can lead to weight gain, heart disease, and other health problems. Now, does this mean we have to give up on sweetness altogether? Absolutely not. Nature provides us with so many healthy alternatives. Honey, for instance, is a natural sweetener that also boasts numerous health benefits. Fruits, too, are an excellent source of natural sugars, packed with fiber and essential nutrients. So, let's challenge ourselves today. Let's start reading labels, choosing whole foods over processed ones, and embracing the natural sweetness that fruits and honey offer. Remember, it's not about depriving ourselves, but making healthier choices. Cutting out sugar can be tough, but the benefits are worth the effort. Day 6, we practice mindful eating. Mindful eating, in essence, is about being present in the moment while enjoying your food. It's about savoring every bite, appreciating the flavors, and paying attention to how the food makes you feel. It's not just about what you eat, but how you eat it. Consider this: how often do we eat while scrolling through our phones or watching television, completely detached from the experience of eating? This disconnection can lead to overeating, as we're not paying attention to our body's signals of fullness. By practicing mindful eating, we can reconnect with these signals. We can learn to distinguish between physical hunger and emotional hunger, preventing mindless snacking. It's about enjoying our food, but also respecting our body's needs. So take the time to sit down, enjoy your meal, and listen to your body. Mindful eating can help you establish a healthier relationship with food. Day 7, we repeat the healthy habits we've learned and reflect on our journey. Today marks a week of dedication to a healthier version of you, and it's a day to celebrate. You've learned to hydrate, eat fruits and veggies, boost your protein intake, incorporate healthy fats, cut out sugar, and practice mindful eating. Now it's time to reflect. How do you feel? Maybe you're feeling more energetic, or perhaps you've noticed an improvement in your skin. Whatever it is, take note of these positive changes. They're the fruits of your hard work. Remember, it's okay to adjust. If one day was particularly challenging, consider why and think about how you can improve. Maybe you need more variety in your fruits and veggies, or perhaps you need to find a different source of protein that you enjoy more. This is just the beginning of your healthy journey. Keep up the great work. Let's recap the key takeaways from our 7-day detox plan. We started this journey with a focus on hydration. Drinking more water is not only essential for our bodies to function, but it also helps flush out toxins and keeps our skin glowing. On the second day, we embrace the power of fruits and vegetables. They are nature's own detox agents, packed full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that our bodies crave. Day 3 was all about boosting our protein intake. Protein is essential for repairing and building our body's tissues, and it also plays a crucial role in detoxification by aiding in the production of enzymes that help eliminate toxins. On day 4, we introduced healthy fats into our diet. Remember, not all fats are created equal. Foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds contain fats that are beneficial to our health and necessary for absorbing certain vitamins. Day 5 was a challenging one where we aimed to cut out sugar. Sugar, especially refined sugar, can be highly addictive and detrimental to our health, leading to a host of problems, including weight gain and increased risk of diseases. On the 6th day, we practiced mindful eating. This is not just about what we eat, but also how we eat. By eating slowly and savoring our food, we can improve our digestion, reduce overeating, and enhance our overall relationship with food. Finally, on day 7, we repeated the previous day's practices and took some time to reflect on our journey. This is a crucial step in establishing and maintaining long-term healthy habits. This 7-day detox plan is not about a quick fix. It's about setting the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. It's about understanding our bodies better, making conscious choices, and taking small but consistent steps towards better health. Remember, the journey to a healthier you is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay the course and you'll see results.